normal course at 4 p.m. Otherwise, manageable. And so this such a risky because I may also assist your lordship. How many matters are there? Well, today there are a total of 5 matters. Item numbers 10 and 13. Which is the lead matter? Well, I don't propose to take or any matter can be treated as lead matter or SCA 3723 of 26 as pleadings completed. My lord's lead matter is SCA 3005 of 2026. That is the main matter. But reply and rejoinder. If I have to argue, my notings are in SCA 3005 of 2026. Sir, that may be treated as lead matter. No problem. For reply and rejoinder, review separately to this honorable court. Reply and rejoinder, much is said. They have said that expert committee was formed and therefore now the decision is final. Going to say. The pleadings are fully completed and there is an order of the Honorable Coordinating Bench that the record of 3723 of 26 can be treated to be the reply and stand of the state in all matters. Well, if with your Lordship's permission, I need 2 minutes before the petitioners begin. Alright, now 3723 of 2026. 3723. Well, then there's one more. In fact, by the same order, I will also extend the benefit of the interim order. But my matters is not listed today. Alright, receive it. Please, it's just to point out. Well, in 2 minutes, just to lay down the pen. Well, let the pen go. Please, I'm sorry. Oh, this one. 3723. Well, I don't propose to take your lordship to the document. Admitted facts. Well, we are concerned with an examination called the TET, Teachers Eligibility Test, TET. The framework that the state government follows is that TET and qualification therein becomes the basis of appointment as Vidya Sahaya. So after TET, you need nothing more. Based on your past scores, so your 10th, 12th results plus your TET, you become Vidya Sahaya. Why did I have to mention the matter today morning? Because we came out with an advertisement for 11,000 Vidya Sahaya posts. 11,000. These would be primary teachers teaching from standards 1 to 5 in all government schools. Primary teachers, mothers, from standards 1 to 5. These are not subject specific appointments. So the teacher teaching Ganit will also teach science, will also teach English, except language. So English, Gujarati, mediums allowed. Because our state's teacher to pupil ratio is 1:8, 1:25. So for every one teacher that I have in my primary school, I have about 25 students. Today, as we speak, we have a vacancy of about 17,000 Vidya Sahayas. And I have a 10-year recruitment calendar already lined up. In calendar year 2027, I already have committed to the world at large. I will be inviting 5,000 more people to become Vidya Sahayas. Now, in that background, what is in 1 minute the dispute? Because I took the exam of Teachers Eligibility Test, TET. That advertisement happened. Advertisement is dated 14/10/2025, Lordship. And it is at page 14/10/2025. For TET exam? TET exam, my lords. It is at page 52 of Lordship's record. My lords, the exam took place on 21/12/2025. And 91,628 candidates appeared. So, my lords, yes, Subsequently, I received about there is always an objection window. सवाल तुमने करना તમારા પ્રમાણે ખોટા હોય. I received around 10,000 objections for about 91 questions, which is all stated in my reply. And so I formed a 5-member expert committee and they delivered a finding. Now, what was that finding? I don't want to save myself. Please only turn to page 12 for a moment of the matter before your question. Para 11. So that lordships have the version of the treatment given by the state on these objections. Para 11 and page 12. That is the primary education board, my lords. Release the final answer key FAK for paper 3A along with question paper in series A in English, Hindi, Gujarati. સાહેબ હવે આ મેં મારા 5 સભ્યોની કમિટીની ટ્રીટ કરતા. In the FAK, grace marks were awarded for 3 questions, being question number 21 owing to print mistake in the question paper of Gujarati medium, question 72 owing to print mistake in the symbol in the question, rendering all 4 options incorrect, and question 105 owing to all 4 options being incorrect to candidates across all 3 mediums. Further, with respect to paper series A in the medium, the answer to 7 questions being so and so were revised by declaring more than one option as correct. Similarly, in paper series A of Hindi medium, answers to 8 questions were revised by treating more than one option as correct. And in paper series A of Gujarati medium, the answer of 6 questions were revised on the same basis. So, sir, basically, I gave some grace marks. In some questions, I treated all answers to be correct because that symbol may have been typed wrongly by my typing. On the basis of that, I published final answer. After I published final answer, and after that original objection window is over, this petition and this batch of matters, one after the other, come up by around